Are you interested in adopting a child? Please contact our skilled Berks, Lancaster, and Lebanon County adoption attorneys. Stability in the life of a child is essential, and frequently such consistency is best accomplished when a step-parent, a grandparent, or other third party adopts the child. Such adoptions occur regularly in Pennsylvania. There are 2 steps in any adoption. First, parental rights must be terminated. This can happen in 2 ways: voluntary termination of parental rights or involuntary termination of parental rights. Voluntary termination of parental rights means that the biological parent consents to the termination of his or her rights. This is typically done by the biological parent signing a voluntary termination and consent to adopt form, and then submitting that to the court along with an adoption petition. Involuntary termination means that the biological parent does not consent to the termination of his or her parental rights. It can also occur in instances where the identity of the biological parent is not known. There is a list of specific reasons to involuntarily terminate a parent's rights. These reasons can include the failure of a parent to perform parental duties for at least 6 months. This can also include a biological parent's incapacity, abuse, or neglect of the child that has caused the child to be without essential parental care. The ultimate decision for involuntary termination rests with the courts. Courts will only order that a biological parent's rights be terminated after a hearing where evidence is presented to support the reasons for the termination, and a court determines that such termination would be in the best interest of the child. Proving to the court that involuntary termination is in the best interest of the child can be a daunting task and should be done only by an attorney experienced in adoption practice and procedure. The second step is the actual adoption. After the parental rights of the biological parent have been terminated, the parties petition the court to finalize the adoption. The practical effect of an adoption is that the party or parties adopting the child becomes the parent of that child and have all of the rights and responsibilities as if that child had been naturally born to them. This includes the right to make medical decisions for the child, the right to full access to school records, and the responsibility of providing emotional and financial support to the child. A new birth certificate will be issued listing the adoptive parents as the parents to the child. If you are a third party not related to the child, then a home study must also be completed. This process varies county by county, which is why it is important to hire an experienced adoption attorney to guide you through the process. Recently, the Pennsylvania legislature enacted important amendments to the adoption laws. The most important addition provides the biological parent and the adoptive parent a means by which to enter into a voluntary written agreement that provides for ongoing contact between the parties after the finalization of the adoption. The post-adoption contact agreement is legally enforceable and has significant implications for a child's future. Contact our Berks, Lancaster, and Lebanon County adoption attorneys to schedule a free consultation. Call us at 610-685-8000 or visit our website at www.bentley-law.com.